Welcome to our channel. A fatal error on Paramount Plus prevents the app from working properly. Follow these troubleshooting steps to resolve this serious issue. Step 1. Force close the Paramount Plus app completely. On mobile devices, swipe it away from your recent apps. On streaming devices, exit the app fully. Step 2. Restart your device by powering it off completely. Waiting 30 seconds, then turning it back on to clear temporary system issues. Step 3. Check your internet connection speed using a speed test website. Paramount Plus requires at least 4 megabits per second for HD streaming. Step 4. Clear the Paramount Plus app cache and data. Go to your device settings, find Paramount Plus, and select Clear Cache and Clear Data. Step 5. Update the Paramount Plus app to the latest version by visiting your device's app store and checking for available updates. Step 6. Sign out of your Paramount Plus account completely, then sign back in with your correct credentials. Step 7. Uninstall the Paramount Plus app completely from your device, then reinstall it fresh from the App Store. Step 8. Disable any VPN or proxy services you're using, as these can cause authentication and streaming errors. Step 9. Reset your network settings on your device if network issues persist. This will clear saved networks and require re-entering Wi-Fi passwords. Step 10. Try accessing Paramount Plus on a different device to determine if the issue is device-specific or account-related. Step 11. Contact Paramount Plus customer support with a specific error code if the problem continues. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.